Daytime. Two brown and black horses pull a green carriage carrying guests across a bridge made of stone. The wagon rides on a path lined with lush green trees. A middle-aged man in a wheelchair is pushed up a ramp into the carriage. A worker secures the wheelchair with a series of straps. The ramp is folded up and closed, securing the back of the wagon. 3 additional guests sit next to the man in the wheelchair. 2 brown and black horses are attached to the front of the wagon. Later, the horses pull the wagon across a lot toward the path. The guests wave as the wagon travels along the path. The ramp is lowered, the man in the wheelchair is backed out of the carriage. The ramp is folded up and put back into place. A still photograph shows the carriage and guests. The image dissolves to black. Words appear. Wheelchair accessible carriage funded by the Diana Davis Spencer Foundation. Wildwood Stables in Acadia National Park, May 20, 2024. Videography by Julia Walker Thomas, Friends of Acadia.